everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about Tarawih prayers during Ramadan. Ramadan is a special time of the year for Muslims around the world, and Tarawih prayers are an important part of this holy month. In this video, we'll provide you with a guide to Tarawih prayers during Ramadan, including what they are, how to perform them, and some helpful tips to make the most of this special time. Tarawih prayers, a unique form of prayer performed during the month of Ramadan, hold great significance in the Muslim community. These prayers are an additional offering to the 5 daily prayers performed throughout the year and are performed after the Isha prayer. Tarawih prayers involve reciting selected chapters from the Quran in a congregation, with an imam leading the prayer. But what makes Tarawih prayers different from the usual prayers, you may ask? Well, the recitation of the Quran during Tarawih prayers is spread out over the entire month of Ramadan. Muslims believe that the reward for reciting the Quran during Ramadan is multiplied, making this month even more special. Performing Tarawih prayers is a beautiful and spiritual experience, but it's important to understand the proper method of performing these prayers. The first step is to make the intention to perform Tarawih prayers. After performing the Isha prayer, one can begin the Tarawih prayers. The Imam leads the prayer, and the congregation follows along. Tarawih prayers consist of reciting a portion of the Quran, followed by a short break for rest. This process is repeated throughout the prayer until the entire Quran has been recited over the course of the month. It's important to focus on the recitation of the Quran and to maintain concentration throughout the prayer. Moreover, proper etiquette, such as standing in straight rows and avoiding unnecessary movements, should be observed to maximize the spiritual experience. To make the most of Tarawih prayers, it's essential to be fully present in the moment and focus on the spiritual significance of the prayer. Maintaining concentration throughout the prayer is crucial, as it will help you connect with your spirituality on a deeper level. Additionally, reciting the Quran at home during the day is a great way to prepare for Tarawih prayers at night. This will help you better understand the verses and their meanings and will enable you to recite them with greater ease during the prayer. It's also important to maintain proper etiquette during the prayer, such as standing in straight rows, avoiding unnecessary movements, and refraining from engaging in idle chatter. In conclusion, Tarawih prayers are an important part of Ramadan, and they provide an opportunity to connect with the Quran and with other Muslims around the world. By following the tips we've provided, you can make the most of your Tarawih prayers and have a meaningful Ramadan experience. We hope that you found this guide helpful, and we wish you all a blessed Ramadan. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Allah, Allah.